How to troubleshoot BMW Active Blind Spot Detection Malfunction. Active Blind Spot Detection or ABSD system is an advanced safety feature. Its job is to keep an eye on the region right behind and on two sides of your BMW. Also alerts you if it detects that there is a vehicle in the blind spot. Do you want to know, how does it do that? Keep reading to know in detail. BMW Active Blind Spot Detection. How does IT work? With the help of multiple sensors, ABSD monitors vehicles in the driver's blind spot. If it detects that a vehicle is approaching your BMW from behind, it will alert you by triggering a set of warning indicators. It also helps you to take turns and change lanes safely. Some of the major components of a BMW's ABSD system are a set of sensors, a control unit, a pair of warning indicators, a vibration actuator device. It is also important to note that ABSD needs electricity to do its job. BMW Active Blind Spot Detection. Reason why IT may stop working. Power supply disruption. As you would have read earlier, the ABSD system needs electricity to function. And, of course, interruptions in power supply will put ABSD in jeopardy. Defective sensors. The ABSD relies on a set of sensors to monitor vehicles in the driver's blind spot. If any of these sensors fail, your BMW's ABSD will stop working. Flawed control unit. This is one more possible reason behind the ABSD system malfunction in a BMW. So, if your ABSD system is not working, get its control unit checked by a mechanic. In conclusion, several things can cause an ABSD system failure in your BMW. Whatever the reason, if your BMW Active Blind Spot Detection system is failing, contact a reliable professional.